What's up guys? This is Andy from Geekbuying. Today I'm going to review one of the latest wearables, the Honor Band 5. To be honest, I have used quite a few bands, but this one really impressed me. Here's how it began. I've been quite anxious lately. I couldn't even force myself to sleep, so I was searching for ways to have my brain refreshed. That's when I found the Honor Band 5. I was fascinated by the things it could do, so here it is. Let's have a quick unboxing. One charging base, a micro USB cable, one user manual, and of course, the band itself. The Honor Band 5 adopts an AMOLED touchscreen. It views crystal clear even under direct sunlight. At night, the screen lights on gradually to protect my eyes. Awesome feature. The wristband remains the same material as Band 4, which is less likely to fall off while working out. Now let's pair the phone. Download the app Health from Google Play or App Store. The pairing is quite easy and fast. Click the plus icon on the top right corner. Find the Honor Band 5. Click to pair. Confirm on band. Here we go. After pairing, I'm able to see more details. Compared to the Honor Band 4, this successor has the icons redesigned for each function, making it more recognizable. Swipe up or down to see different features. Click in to get access to specific choices. Swipe right to get back to last step. Press the home button to get back to home page. Same gesture control as Honor Band 4, simple and intuitive. Inside the app, we can see the statistics of our exercise. We can start our exercise either inside the app or on the band. For runners, it provides training plans. The interface displayed on Honor Band can be customized here. There are dozens of colorful dials to choose from. And we can adjust the sequence of all these functions. By the way, this alarm function can only be enabled in-app, which means I can control the alarm on the band. Same for the Do Not Disturb mode. But the most important thing to me is the sleep monitoring. I've taken it home and worn for several nights for testing. Now let's check the app. Have you ever seen such a detailed sleep report like this before? It records nearly everything of my sleep status, including light sleep, deep sleep, breathing quality, and even some items I don't know. What's more, it also provides smooth music to help me fall asleep faster. Check out. When the morning comes, it vibrates gently to wake me up. I think I can safely draw the conclusion that it does improve my sleep quality. So far, Honor Band 5 have brought me a truly helpful solution to my health problem. Yet, there's still more about what it is capable of. When sitting in the office, the message reminder can deliver my calls and messages to my wrist with vibrations, so that I neither need to check my phone nor bother my coworkers with notification noise. If I sit too long, it will vibrate to suggest a walk or move. It also allows me to measure my blood oxygen and heart rate anytime to see if I'm stressed out. It even provides relaxed courses to help relieve stress inside the app. I try to spend few minutes to do them several times, and these exercises turn out to be really useful. After work, when I go jogging, I can enter sports mode, and then it will guide me and record my exercise. After a couple of days of getting along with it, the Honor Band 5 has impressed me surprisingly. It shows me how a smart band matters in one's daily life. It's not only an auxiliary tool of our phone, but also key to a healthier life. Other highlights like supporting multi-languages, 5 ATM waterproofing, up to 14 days battery life. Please keep in mind that its value doesn't lie in code numbers or parameters, but is reflected in the experience it provides in every single day. For device, it's an upgraded version of Honor Band 4 and a powerful competitor of Mi Band 4. If you haven't got any smart bands, it's completely worth buying. Okay guys, this is our whole review of Honor Band 5. The link to the product is in the description. Make sure to check it out. If you have any questions about it, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, a subscription would be much appreciated. Thanks for watching. See you next time.